I got these earrings from Ragstock Vintage here in Chicago, and I thought these were like perfect because of the teal and of course the gold or the bronze, that copper vibe. So these are my nails, and I feel like, you know, the earrings are like the perfect addition. Okay, so this is the ring. I think that's so cute. I think like just having that here. The necklace. Oh. So this is the skirt. I literally picked this skirt out because I saw it in the Trolls movie and I was like, oh my God, this is the skirt that the Trolls girl was wearing. So I picked this out and I thought it was super, super cute. And I was like, this is giving super freaking Western princess. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and put it on. I feel like a princess, okay? The jacket. So, like my necklace with my ring, my earrings. I didn't want to do too much. I wanted to do just enough, and I feel like this is just enough for what we're doing, for what I'm going for. I think this is perfect. I fell in love with the outfit all over again. I fell in love with the outfit all over again. Oh my gosh, we are fabulous, honey. What do you guys think? Are we fabulous? I think we're fabulous. Wait till my daughter sees me. She is going to freak out. I'm very much in love. Of course, I'm gonna put some shorts on underneath. But yeah, I am just ready for the tour, Beyonce. I'm ready for the tour, honey. I'm ready for the tour. You guys wearing, like, I would love to see the fits that you guys are wearing to the concert as well. Even if you're not going today in Chicago, let me know what you wore, because guess what, y'all? I'm gonna show up and show out every time. So I hope you guys are showing up and showing out every day for yourselves. You hear me? I hope so. Anyway, yeah. I'm so excited. I love it. 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 We've gone through what the outfit looks like. Let me know what you guys think about the outfit in the comments. My jewelry from Ragstock Vintage. Okay, they were like no more than $20. I think these were like the perfect accessories. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I'm still contemplating to see if I'm gonna wear makeup or not. More than likely, I'm definitely gonna put a lippy on. Not so sure about the makeup just yet because I don't want to sweat, and of course my hat is white. So yeah, I'm gonna tread lightly on that. But if I do, I hope you guys see me on social media to find out what I do. And that, see you guys in the next video. You know I'm not good with endings.